Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Make sure your phone and carrier support caller ID and that contact sync is active. Once done, enable permissions for the phone app and any third-party caller ID app you plan to use. Next, import or sync your contact list from cloud, SIM, or other accounts so names appear. This prevents unknown number displays for people you already know. Finally, toggle caller ID on in settings or the app, and test with a saved contact to verify the setup. Now you'll refine how caller ID behaves. Open the app's display and assign contact photos, custom ringtones, and caller groups so you recognize callers at a glance. At the same time, configure spam detection sensitivity and enable community reports to reduce robocalls. This explains why some calls are flagged. If you use VoIP or dual SIM, integrate those accounts and define which line shows ID. Make sure to set rules for unknown numbers, voicemail only, block, or prompt, depending on how strict you want it. Finish by testing. Call from a saved contact, an unknown number, and a known spam source to confirm labels and behavior. Once done, update the caller ID app and OS, clear app cache, and reboot. If you still see missing names, reset network settings or resync contacts. If problems persist, contact your carrier about CNAM provisioning and ensure your SIM transfer included contact data. This is the key troubleshooting step. Carriers often need to enable name delivery on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.